Hello everyone, welcome to Free Range Diva. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I'm just about to make my breakfast and I wanted to share with you the smoothie that has been my go-to for the last month or so. This smoothie is loaded with protein, fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants. It's a smoothie for someone who's interested in having a meal, a breakfast meal. It's also perfect if you're breaking your fast. I have been intermittent fasting for several years now, and this is one of the things that I rely on to make sure that when I break my fast, I'm getting enough protein to start the day so that I don't have any kind of insulin spiking, and is filling enough and satisfying enough that I'm not going to be hungry until lunchtime. So let's get started. One of the ways that you can make sure that you get enough protein every day is starting off with a heavy amount of protein in the morning, and a lot of people rely on things like eggs for that, and I do love to have eggs, but I don't want to have them every day. So I kind of bounce around between cereals and smoothies and eggs. And so today we're going to do a smoothie day, even though it's kind of overcast and a little chilly, so I would really rather have hot cereal, but we're going to have a smoothie because I want to show you this. All right, so we're going to start with a base of berries. I've got mixed berries here. This is a blend of blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. So put in and I just eyeballed it because I know how much of a smoothie, how much I want or am capable of eating at one sitting. And then because I want greens, I want to add some frozen spinach. Okay. And then a recent addition that I've been loving is fresh papaya. I buy the papaya whole and fresh at the grocery store and then just cut it up into these chunks. And the reason I have been adding papaya is because this is one of the foods when you have acid reflux, which I had been suffering with. Papaya is one of the foods that you should eat because it's got a lot of digestive enzymes in it. And I'm happy to say that I have been reflux free for several weeks now, and I am slowly weaning off my medication, which is definitely a win. So papaya is good for that. And also, banana is also really good to eat if you have reflux. And I'm not going to put a whole banana in. As you can see, this is just like a quarter of a banana, because I don't want this to be too sweet. Okay. Moving on, for fiber as well as hormone balancing, these are flax seeds. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of these flax seeds in. 1 and 2. And additionally, I'm also going to put in some Live It Up super greens. I love having these alkalizing greens first thing in the morning. Again, it's good for your digestion, and this particular brand has become a staple for me because I sleep better when I include this teaspoon of these greens in my diet every day. Also, another powder that I have been loving lately is organic shiitake mushroom powder. I just put 1 scoop of this, and the scoop is very small. This is, again, good for hormone balancing. It's an adaptogen, so it's good for stress. And by the way, I'm not a doctor or a nutritionist or anything like that. This is just what works for me, and so that's why I'm sharing it, just to give you some ideas. But of course, you want to check everything out before you include it in your diet. Run it by your doctor, because you never know. Yes, I use food, but it might be something that you can't tolerate. So do your own research. For protein, we've got Fage Greek yogurt. Regular yogurt does not have nearly the amount of protein per serving as Greek yogurt does. Even all Greek yogurts are not the same, you know what I mean, in terms of how much protein that they will give you per serving. This one gives you 15 grams of protein, and one serving is about 3/4 of a cup. So I'm putting probably about half a cup in here. Because I am going to add protein powder. And if you're wondering, I am striving for about 20 grams of protein per meal, between 20 and 25. 70 is kind of my sweet spot. And this smoothie is not only good for weight loss, because this is what I relied on when I was trying to lose weight on intermittent fasting. I'll link those videos. But it's also good for maintenance. And it also gives you what you need to maintain your muscle mass, particularly if you're doing any kind of strength training, which you should be. Because the one thing that we don't want to do as we get older is get frail. It's something called sarcopenia, where your muscles, because you don't use them, they start to get smaller and smaller, and you get weaker and weaker. So make sure you're getting some sort of strength training in a couple of times a week. And then the other protein element is going to be organic whey protein. I've always used the Terrace Whey brand, and this is a new product that they have actually that I'm trying. It's their lactose-free, and one serving of this gives you 20 grams of protein. So if you're not able to have dairy or you're lactose intolerant, but you still want the benefits of whey, because especially for us older people, this is the easiest thing on the market for you to digest. Putting in a scoop. Whey protein is the easiest for you to digest. But if you want to do plant-based, that's fine. Do plant-based. In fact, if you want to do plant-based yogurt, I have 2 recommendations. This one from Kite Hill gives you 15 grams of protein and no sugar. This is their Kite Hill Greek style yogurt. And then Forager is another brand that has a Greek style yogurt. And their protein, I think, is between 10 grams per serving. So those are a couple of excellent choices so that you can still get the probiotics you need, but you can do it with a plant-based product. And if I have not put in enough powders, I've got one more. This is the acai berry powder from Perfect. This is for the extra antioxidant protection, anti-inflammatory protection, nutrition. This is like a superfood. It's got everything good that you want to have in it. So it's also going to make this a beautiful berry color. And then finally, I'm just going to add, usually I will add cashew milk. I've been loving that lately, but I'm out. I get it from, well, I'll tell you what brand I get it from. I can't think of it right now, but I'm just going to use water. So you can use almond milk, cashew milk, water. Doesn't really matter, just some sort of liquid. And this is ready to go on the blender. So I'll come back when this is all blended up. As you can see, I like my smoothies to be very thick. Here's where I forgot to turn on the microphone. What I'm going to do is mix in my Perfect hydrolyzed collagen powder and Perfect acerola vitamin C powder by hand. I always mix these by hand because they dissolve quickly and I don't waste a drop. Once they're all mixed, I top off the smoothie with a sprinkle of the Streusely Nuts and Seeds granola. I heard Dr. Mindy Peltz say that having something to chew when you break your fast improves your insulin response, which encourages fat burning around the middle. I wanted to give you a close-up so you can see how pretty this looks, how appetizing. Love the colors, and of course, it tastes amazing. So as you've seen, one of the convenient things about having a smoothie first thing in the morning is it's fast, and you can add all of your supplements and powders and things like that and get them all in at the same time first thing in the morning so that you have all your nutrition and the things that you need for energy throughout the day. Now let's see how this tastes. So because I use frozen and refrigerated fruit, it's nice and cold, it's delicious, and it gives me what I'm gonna need to get through the rest of the day. So, make a smoothie. Start your day with a smoothie. Not every day, switch it up. If you're an eggs person, or you're an oatmeal person, or a baked goods person, add something like this in if you aren't doing it already. And that way, you know that you're giving your body what it needs so that it can give you its best throughout the day. And that's what we want, right? And if you are on a weight loss journey, this is a great tool to fuel you in the morning without spiking your blood sugar too much. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna go have my breakfast, but I wanna thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if you thought it was helpful. And if you'd like to see more from me, then please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing here at Free Range Diva. Okay, I'm gonna go dive into this smoothie, but until I see you in my next video, I'm gonna wish you a wonderful day, wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Bye! Cheers!